This is the SnapPower GFCI GuideLight, and today I'm going to show you how it works and how to install it. SnapPower GuideLights work by drawing power from the outlets by connecting the GuideLight prongs to the side screw terminal. For standard outlets, this is an easy process. Standard outlets have a lot of room for our prongs to slide by and connect to the terminals, so our Decor and Duplex GuideLights just pop right in. However, GFCI outlets are a little bit trickier. GFCI outlets take up more space than a standard outlet, making it impossible for our standard prongs to slide by. And to make things more complicated, GFCI outlets come in many different shapes and sizes depending on the manufacturer. That's why we developed our GFCI GuideLights to be able to slide into the tight space between the outlet and power box, and then spring into place to make contact with the side screw terminals. To do so, all you need to do is turn off your power, line up your prongs with the lower side screw terminals, carefully slide the GuideLight into place connecting prongs to terminals, turn the power back on, and then voila! Your GFCI GuideLight is ready to go. If your GuideLights aren't lighting up like they're supposed to be, you're most likely running into one of four problems. The four main problems you could be facing are that 1. The prongs are not properly aligned with the side screw terminals. 2. The screws are recessed. 3. Tape covering the terminals. 4. Painters got excess paint on terminals. If your prongs aren't making contact, they're most likely not properly aligned. So make sure to carefully readjust the GuideLight until the prongs are connecting with the side screw terminals. It's not common, but if you have recessed screws in your outlets, then your prongs aren't able to make contact. If that's the case, there's no need to worry. Just reach out to support and we'll get you a longer prong version of the GFCI GuideLight. If there is paint or tape on the screws, you will need to remove the tape or scrape off the paint so that the prongs can make contact with the side screw terminals. Please be sure to turn the power off on your breaker for this step. GFCI outlets are a little bit trickier to navigate than just your standard outlet. So if you run into any problems at all, if you accidentally break a prong, if you need a longer prong version of the GuideLight, there is no need to worry. We will replace any broken prongs and answer any questions that you have.